Hey my friends and fans, welcome back to another episode. This time, I really don't care if we go to the gym or not, but going to the gym. It's my first gym I'm going to be battling in. I hope you guys like it. So, time to challenge. My throat's a little bit dry. Here, let me see something. Oh, please don't tell me. I saved last time. It should be the same. If it isn't, I'm going to be really mad. My Pokemon should be over here. And they aren't. Of course they aren't. Wait, we need you to go. No, wait, Oh my god, come on. Alright, you know what? I really don't care. Let's just battle our first gym. Make sure our Pokemon are all healed up. And it isn't working. Please heal my Pokemon. Thank you. Sorry. Yes. I feel better if I had 6 Pokemon balls. But, I gotta battle my first gym. Because I'm, tired of not going to the first gym. It's been 4 episodes since I've been, no, not 4, 2. Maybe 3. I don't know. But it's at least I've been 2. I'm getting ready to battle these people. Alright. Come on, let's fight. I want to need some skills before letting you through. Let's battle. Alright. I'll kick you no matter what. Bouncer David would like the battle. Electrike. Oh. Ooh. Wait. Quick attack. Smack him. Oh. I thought that did nothing. I'm like, oh god, we're in for a rocky ride, people. Oh god. Now, I think I might lose this. And he just keeps raising his attack. There we go. Attack. I'm just gonna keep trying to attack him. Yeah, keep raising your attack, buddy. Just keep smacking. And my microphone fell over. You know what? Screw it. I'm about to die, but I'm about to beat this dude. Woohoo. First gym, here I come. Uh-oh. Oh, well, there goes one of my Pokemon. Yay. I'm not using Linen. Linen's, basically my, backup Pokemon. Like, it's the best Pokemon I have right now. Oh, Thunder Wave, yes. Oh, well, God dang it, I didn't know what was which. Trying to clear my throat real quick. Hopefully I can get a Pikachu, because that's going to be great. Take you out real quick. And I'm just getting smacked, and I just died. Come on! Well, it looks like I wasn't prepared for this. It's great. Almost all my Pokemon are dead. Well, they're almost all knocked out. Tackle him. Oh, come on! Finally. One trainer has fallen. Oh, Lord. Yeah, you can level up a few times. Looks like you're okay to go through. Yay, money! Probably need more Pokemon. Alright, I have to do this all correctly. And I just messed it up. Alright. Dot, 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 dot. Uh-oh. No, I did it. Woo! We did it. Let's head on to the next trainer. See if we can do anything. Can you move on the dance floor? Yeah? Let's see what moves you have in a battle first. Woo! Come on, we got this. Bouncer Jed would like the battle. Great. And another electric, which I hate those things. Litten! Alright, this is the real battle. Ember, burn him! Woo! Big damage. Oh god, I'm paralyzed. Ugh. Wait. Bag. Antidote. Oh. Oh wait, this is a poisoning. Oh well, this is terrible. I'm basically out of move paralyzation things. I just need to attack him once. Yay, quick attack. Critical hit, wow. Yes. Get rid of that status effect. No. Mareep, you think you could just waltz up in here and just take over the place? I think not. Perish. What? Baloney. Here, let me just attack you again. Ooh, we're about to do this. We got this. And I did not attack since I'm paralyzed. Oh god, please don't tell me that's going to continue throughout this, the whole thing. Finally, get rid of Marie. And then we got this. We got this. Woo! Interesting moves. I'll take a note of them. I usually just use my strongest moves for my Pokemon. Take note of that, boy. Uh-oh. I'm trying to be careful here. Just screw up. Here we go. Yeah, I'm ready. Hey, I'm ready to battle. Hello. I'm Chad, the creator, the leader of the fine establishment. I see you have no badges yet. That makes this your first battle for the gym badge. Don't expect me to go easy on you. My club has a reputation that I like to keep by making my badges difficult to earn. Now get ready for the drop. And when he says that, he means the base drop. Woo! Let's do this. Oh, that's some nice music. Hey, it's a Sinks, and it's level 13. I'm so screwed. And I'm paralyzed again. Oh, come on. This isn't fair at all. You're literally sending me to battle with a freaking broken leg. Oh, this is just horse feces, dude. Can't do anything. And I just got hit by it. Oh, come on. Then use Fire Fang. And it does a little bit of damage. I might be able to defeat him. And Link Sinks is burning. Perfect. This is the perfect time to attack. Destroy them. Destroy, destroy, destroy. Fire Fang. Yum. Yay, we won. 147 experience. Ha, that doesn't even match what this is. A Pikachu. Uh-oh. Ooh, I wonder if we could capture this one. I haven't tried it. I want to capture it. Quick attack. It does barely anything. Fire Fang. Does a lot. I want to see something. Can I catch it? Oh. It'd be funny if they did add that, where I could just catch their Pokemon and say, alright, mine. See ya. But we did it. We won. Badge awarded. We did it! Woo! You beat me fair and square. Man, I should have played a different beat. Holy moly! Did you see the money he gave us? Congratulations on your victory, trainer. It's my pleasure to present you for the first gym badge. Oh, that looks cool. You obtained the Arc badge. Or Eric badge. I'd also like you to take this TM as a gift of your victory. You obtained the team. See, what? Charge beam. Oh. Battle moves the Pokemon are capable of learning. The team or charge beam is only that to try and move that as it has a special side effect that can boost your Pokemon special attack. Ah, that's cool. Goodbye. I call that winning, boys. My first gym completely wiped the floor with them. Oh, hey, Steve. Oh, God, not this dude again. Oh, you have the Arc badge now? I'm on my way to challenge the gym right now. I really hope my Pokemon are strong enough as this. Maybe we can have another battle soon. Anyways, check this out. The reason I was late here, it's called the RTD. I want you to have this one. You obtain the RTD. RTD is a regular teleporting device. It allows you to teleport to some really neat places just for trainers like you and I. For example, trade resort or a battle coliseum. The trade resort is where trainers can go trade their Pokemon with other trainers. The battle coliseum is also a place for trainers where you can battle other trainers' Pokemon. It's really convenient to having specific places where you go in the mood for training or battling others. Anyways, tell me about to give me that badge. See you later, Steve. That's my Pokemon dude name. Anyway, let me do this real quick. Pokemon U moves, and I can't do anything. Here, I might add that to the next one. Well, this was fun. We go up here. Here. If I could see my badges. Cool. Hey, can you hear my Pokemon real quick? Yes, rest them. Yay! They're healed. Before I leave, restore your Pokemon to full health. Yep, see you again. Yep, me too. Here, let me see. Bag. Medicine. Able. Here. This one. Yes. Oh, that's cool. It's able to use cut too. Now I know I'm doing something great. Now. Let me see. I mean, Bite is kind of good. Charge Beam is a really good one. It does more damage than Quick Attack, which I'm happy. Because, yeah, the Quick Attack wasn't doing that much damage. Cut has 50 power. I mean, Bite. I mean, I could get rid of Quick Attack. Yeah. I don't need Quick Attack. Sweet. No, we're good. Anyway, I hope you guys liked this episode. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and tell me what else you want. I've been finding it cold, so my voice sounds very terrible. If you like it, please, comment down below. Tell me what I should